Moving through our lesson on 2.3, we're going to talk about simplifying rational expressions. So first, a rational expression is a polynomial expression divided by a second polynomial expression, also known as a quotient of two polynomial expressions. And here's an example: 1 to 3x squared minus 2x plus 5 over x squared plus 5x plus 6. So how to simplify a rational expression: you're going to factor the numerator and denominator, and then you're going to reduce out any common factors. So let's do a couple of examples here. So the numerator is already factored for us. Let's look at the denominator. And I'm hoping x minus 9 will be a factor of the denominator, so we won't have, so it'll be meaningful. And if I look at this, look at 90, look at negative 19, it looks like negative 9 and negative 10 will add to be negative 19 and multiply to be positive 90. So x minus 9 times x minus 10, and you can reduce the x minus 9 on top and bottom, and you end up with 1 over x minus 10. That's something you cannot do, and I'm not even going to write this down because I don't want people to think that you can do it. You can't cancel, the x and the x and the 9 and the 90. You have to have it factored because the reduction happens over multiplication, and the reduction is from a division, so you're reducing over a multiplication, a multiplied thing over division. And now if we look at this next one, we have x squared plus 12x plus 27 divided by x cubed plus 3x squared minus 54. And the numerator, let's see, we would have 27 on top, 12 down below. What two numbers add to be 12, multiply to be 27, and we get 3 and 9. So it's going to be x plus 3 times x plus 9. Now down below, let's do this in a couple steps. First, there's an x in every term, so I should factor that out and get x squared plus 3x minus 54. And now I'll factor that second degree, the x squared, second degree of the quadratic term. So we have negative 54, and then down below we're going to have a 3. So they're going to be multiplying to be something negative, add to be something positive. So if you're looking at the absolute value of each of them, it's going to be, the bigger one's going to be the positive one. So let's think about 54. What are some factors of 54? And we could do, obviously, 1 and 54. 2 and 27, we're not there. 3 and, what would that be? 3 into 54 goes 18, I believe it is. 4 is not going to work. 5 is not going to work. 6 would work. 6 and 9, and I think there's our pair. So I'll make the 9 the positive, the 6 the negative. So minus 6 and positive 9. So I have x plus 3 times x plus 9 divided by x times x plus 9 times x minus 6. And so from here, we can divide out the x plus 9s, and we're left with x plus 3 over x times x plus 6, and that's a valid answer, or x plus 3 over x squared plus 6x. So either one of these work. And that's it for this part. The next video will be about multiplying rational expressions.